Good morning, guys. So, nandito na naman tayo na. Yung anggulo natin, no? Grabe yung ano ko. So, time check is 10 past 10. So, si Georgie tulog pa. Diyos ko, Lord. Talagang tulog is life yung batang ito. Today, lilinisan namin yung Toyota ko kasi ikukunin na namin yung bagong sasakyan na bilhin namin ngayong Tuesday. So, isa-swap namin yun. So, tutulungan tayo ni Mr. para linisin yung sasakyan natin. Nag-umpisa na nga siya eh. Tinanggalan na niya laman ng sasakyan ko. So, babain na natin para makatulong tayo kasi kanina pa siya naghintay eh. Maaga kasi siya nagising. So, always naman yan. Lagi yan na una. At very helpful. Ayan na siya. Ayan yung gamit natin sa sakyan. You emptied the car already, no?
Yeah.
Is it cold outside?
You can't go out there like that. It's bloody freezing.
I need to change trousers pala.
I've got 3 on.
Sige. So, nagbihis ako guys kasi sabi ni Mr. you cannot go out like that kasi malamig pala sa labas. Mataas kasi yung araw. Kala ko pa naman, tawag nito? Hindi malamig ba? So tayo ng panglinis. Damit na panglinis para kung madumihan man o mamansahan, okay lang. Kasi luma naman tong jumper. Si Mr. ayan, nag-umpisa na nga. Kita nyo yan? Sipag, no? So, huling araw ko gagamitin ito guys, bukas. So, linisan natin kasi para hindi naman makakahiya sa sa yung bibili ng sasakyan. Basically guys, malinis na talaga yung sasakyan. Marami lang talaga buhok ng aso kasi nung binili namin ito, hindi kasi ito ang na-test drive namin. So yung na-test drive namin is different cars. Kaya nung pagkuha namin ito, saka lang namin nirealize at ang daming buhok pala ng aso. Tapos ang amoy. So yung binilhan namin mismo sa...
She's having a breakfast and watching TV. Okay.
Yung binilhan namin sa sa Toyota mismo, hindi kami na-inform ba? So, syempre, hindi naman natin maibalik kasi yung amoy lumabas lang after ng after 2 weeks. Kaya, pag bibili kayo ng sasakyan guys, talagang make sure pet free. Hindi namin kasi na-check yun eh. Si Mr. kasi yung sinisipa eh. Sinisipa yung tao Pina-deep clean ko pa ito. Bayad pa kami ng 100 pound ata yun. Cleaning. Ayan, na-vacuum ko lang. Ayan, clean na guys. Ayan, nag-spray si daddy ng Febreze. Ayan, pinunasan ko lang yung door frame. Tapos bukas, idadaan ni Mr. sa car wash. Ayan. Gising na si Georgie guys. Nag-breakfast. Oy, sleepyhead, good morning. What did you eat?
Chocolate bread and bourbon.
Chocolate bread and bourbon. That's your breakfast? That's not healthy. Ah.
Can I have a pajama day?
You can, but maybe we're going out for a walk, so you have to change what Daddy said to you. After your breakfast, brush your teeth, wash.
You coming with me to the car wash?
Oh.
11 o'clock. You coming with me to the car wash? And we'll have a cup of tea, then we'll go to the car wash. That's why I said to change at 11.
Yes, asking if she can have pajama. I said no. Daddy told you to change. Yeah.
We're going on a walk.
Yeah.
Do some exercise.
Put your clothes, the one that you wore yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hanging on your door.
Yeah. Right.
TV off.
TV off. Make your tea.
No, I did.
Okay. Yeah, but you're gonna move the car.
I can't move the car until I dry it up.
Ah. Relaxing.
Today.
Huh?
I'm ugly today.
Oh, we're both ugly today, yeah? Relaxing, guys. Daddy having tea. Well,
Cheers, my dears.
after cleaning my car. And then we'll proceed.
We haven't cleaned the car yet. We've just done the inside. I got to sort the documents out. I've put the documents in the glove box that you need. I've just got to get the registration documents to go with it. So.
Yeah. So ngayon guys, lilinisan ko yung sasakyan ni Sir. Maglilinis tayo sa sasakyan ni Sir sa loob. Kasi ang dumi. Daming basura.
Hang on, I'll get some coins out of here.
What are you doing there?
I'm waiting for Slowco. So I'm going to take the car for a car wash.
That's the problem if you got a daughter, no?
She's busy brushing her hair.
Beautiful flowers, Daddy, ay. No?
Yeah.
Ganda, oh. Ganda ng block.
Shit, friends.
I love you. Enjoy.
They will.
Car wash. She's like, come on, I'll open the bloody door. Silly sausage.
Alis sila guys, pakarwas na yung sasakyan ko. See ya, ingat. Daddy, buy donut in Sainsbury.
Go on here.
Buy donut.
Buy donuts in Sainsbury's.
Yeah. Ayan guys, na-vacuum. Tapos na tayo nag-vacuum, no? Mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-dusting. Kasi madumi yung loob. Daming putik-putik ba? So, punasan natin. Yeah, dito na sila, oh. Ano ba yan? Malinis yan ba yung malinis? Bilis, ah. Georgie. Sabi ni Mr. Don't overdo it. Kasi pag maglinis kasi, dapat linis, no? Ayusin talaga. May sinisinya si Georgie, hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi tinted yung salamin ng ng isang sasakyan. So, hintayin natin sila makalabas. Nagpabili ako ng donut para mag-snacking kami ba. Mag-cheat day tayo, cheat day. Yeah?
Well, you finished by now.
No.
I told you don't go over the top.
Yeah, but I just finished vacuuming, so I need to do dusting because it's dirty inside, eh.
So you finished now?
No, I just start dusting.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's nearly finished. Dusty ba?
Yeah, the dirty part's here. Look.
Huh?
This is all the dirty.
I know, but we're not.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wipe it.
No, I don't want you to.
Because you need to proper clean that one.
Correct. Are you gonna have lunch before we go for a walk?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
She said to me, so where are we going? I said, we're gonna go to the park and then we're gonna walk. Go to the park and then we'll walk through the woodland walk and then we'll go to the park and then we'll go home.
Yeah.
Can we take the car? I went, no, we're going for a bloody walk. But can't we drive to the park first? I went, no. We'll have a long walk. Be good for us all.
Lazy. Oh.
When did you decide to go? The walk or the lunch first?
It's 11:45.
Yeah, let's eat lunch first and then we burn our food and then when we come back we have snack.
Yeah. Donuts.
Donuts.
Right, and what you want me to do?
Ano? We're having lunch now, guys. Georgie having... I don't know, Daddy having...
Egg and salad cream.
Yeah, because ayaw niya ng mayonnaise. And Georgie having fried egg with cheese, yeah?
Yeah, and ketchup.
And ketchup. Then Mommy is like this with mayonnaise.
And
Kain.
And then later,
She said donut.
George's and Daddy's.
Oh, where's mine?
Mommy's having no.
So, ayan. Nilabas ko yung bagoong, guys. Ilagay ko sa mangga.
Are you talking about me?
No? I'm talking that I took out this one and I put in a mango.
It's so gross.
No, gross. It's nice.
Did that?
Diba? Diba? This is how we eat in Philippines, Suji. Like this. Spread it on top of the mango.
Oh, I'm never gonna do that.
You like this, diba?
No. Ew.
Shrimp paste.
Don't let me look at that, please. Horrible.
Ako lang nakain ng ito, guys. Bagoong. Masarap. Masaya. You're lucky you got food. Remember what Mommy said to you before? Some kids, what did I say to you before? Some kids don't have food. To be able to eat, they have to dig it from the bin to get some food to eat. You know? So you should still be grateful you got food. Also, fruit is good for you. No?
No, this is a vegetable.
Nangaasar na naman. I feel like I want a donut.
I want a donut.
Can you pass me the sugar donut, please?
Can you pass me the sugar donut, please?
Dali na, you eat your mango, oh.
Dahil na, no.
Bahala ka dyan.
Why is my donut?
Ano ba yung donut? Eat or else you're not allowed to eat this later.
Well, I can eat it tomorrow at least.
No? If you don't eat your mango, I won't let you have donut.
Ever?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. If it's mine and that's the other one for that.
Or you'll forget that. Or you'll forget that.
Come on na, dali na.
Nice.
Why are you eating like that? Eat it properly.
What's the green?
No green. Is that watermelon? Bite it.
But the green is skin.
Sarap ng... Oy, finish your mango first. Kanina guys, kumain yung daddy niya ng mangga. Eh, nung pagbalat ko, meron kasing kunting green. O sige, eat the soft na lang. Arte-arte nito eh. Anong ka dyan? Ganyan, yan
Oh, let me gag.
So, ganyan, kumain daddy niya kanina. So, ending, ako ang nagtapos kasi sayang itapon ba. Ganyan, may green lang naiwan na kainin kasi balat pa daw. Arte mga ito.
What? It's not food that I get it for my dad.
Sarap. Ako yan, sayang. You have to use the plate too because the sugar will... Sarap. Best donut, no? Sainsbury's donut, guys. Favorite namin. Pero mostly bumibili kami sa Tesco.
It's better than these.
Kasi mahal ang donut sa Sainsbury's. Pero ang sarap.
Which one do you prefer? This one or that one?
The jam.
I like this one better.
I only like sugar donut in Sainsbury if it's fresh. But the next day, it's not nice. It's hard.
Is this fresh?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't really mind if it's not fresh.
Ayan guys, dinner time. Magluluto tayo ng fried rice again. So ayan, i-end ko na lang yung video guys, no? Kasi para hindi na haba ba. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. See you again to our next vlog. Bye bye.